This is probably going to be the most in-depth video about building passive income with ebooks. And I'm gonna take you step by step on how you can create your ebook in 24 hours or less for free, and then how you can sell it passively for passive income. In fact, just one of my ebooks went on to produce over $500,000 in revenue with zero ad spend. Now in this video, we are going to talk about what the heck is an ebook, how to come up with your profitable ebook idea, how to create your ebook step by step, and even how to start selling your ebook passively. So what the heck is an ebook? An ebook is an electronic version of a printed book that can be read on a computer or a handheld device. Oh yes, makes so much sense. Seriously though, in my mind, an ebook is just information that you are gathering together inside of a PDF format. And you can deliver it for free to gain email subscribers, or you can charge people for it. And once they pay, you are going to send them an email with the link to download said ebook with the information inside of it. Oh, but here's something you should know that's really important. A lot of people take the word book in ebook way too seriously. In fact, you don't want your ebook to be a whole dang book. Let me ask you this. If I said my ebook helped you make an extra $1,000, would you rather learn how to do that in 5 pages or 50 pages? I'm gonna guess 5. And that, my friend, is what I really want you to take away from this video today, is helping someone get a result with your ebook in as little time as possible. That is really going to make your ebook even more valuable to them. All right, now let's talk about number 2, coming up with your profitable ebook idea. And simply put, you want to create an ebook with information that is so good and is going to get somebody such an amazing result that they are going to tell all their friends, and your free marketing word of mouth is going to spread like wildfire. Now, in order to do that, you have to do what I just said. You have to get somebody a result with your ebook. And the more specific and actually small the result is, the better. See, you don't want to get somebody a result like be happier in life. That is so vague. In fact, I'm going to share with you guys what my $500,000 ebook was all about, so you can sort of start to understand this concept of really niching in and helping somebody get a pretty niche result. So my ebook was called Model Call for Photographers. Now, what this did was I just simply shared the systems, processes that I already had in my business that were working for me to get bookings, and I packaged them into a PDF for other photographers. So there was really only like 13 pages in the entire ebook, and it just simply went on to tell them how to use the ebook, gave them scripts, gave them templates, and gave them examples, and that was it. And that's why the ebook worked so well. They simply opened it up, browsed through it, did what it said in the book, they got results, and they told their friends. And this is the exact kind of result that you want your ebook to produce. Now, of course, it doesn't need to be money making or how to XYZ for a business. It can be anything. It can be how to start a garden or dog training or fitness related. The possibilities are endless, but what I really want you to take away from this video today is making sure that your ebook focuses on getting someone one quick win, one quick result that they're gonna go out, get that result, and tell all their friends, because it's gonna be a heck of a lot easier for you to sell this ebook if you do it that way. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds all good and great, Molly, but I still don't know what my ebook should be about. And I want you to know that that is completely normal, okay? So I'm going to state a series of questions that might help you uncover the idea that you want to do inside of your ebook. Now, in the description below this video, I'm actually going to gift you a free ebook on how to uncover your own digital course idea. Now, of course, you can take this ebook and do the same thing for your ebook idea. So just go in the description below and check that out. So here are some quick questions to ask yourself to help uncover your profitable ebook idea. Ask yourself, what are things that you like doing? What are things that you like helping people with? What is a result that you've gotten for yourself that you could get for others? What are questions people ask you? What are things that people come to you to get help on? These questions might start to get your wheels turning about what your ebook should be about. And remember, it's always important to know that typically things that we're really good at come natural and easy to us. And so we might think, oh, well, nobody else is going to want to learn that thing. But don't discount that, because just because it comes easy to you doesn't mean it comes easy to others. So keep that in mind. Now we're on to number 3. Now you know what an ebook is and potentially what you should create your ebook on. So let's talk about how to actually create your ebook. So the first thing you're going to do is actually compile the information. So I would recommend opening up a Word document or some type of document where you can at least index or outline what is going to go in your ebook. And remember, less is more. So what you should do is keep in mind that this can be a collection of, it can be writing, it can be scripts, templates, examples, and just remember to keep it as short as possible. All right, now once you've done that, you're going to design your ebook in Canva. Now, I'm sure you know what Canva is, but if you don't, just do a quick Google search, Canva, and essentially it is what Photoshop or Illustrator are, except for way easier to use and free. Now I'm gonna share with you my screen so you can see click by click how I would go ahead and design my ebook in Canva. Oh, and I have another special gift for you. In the description of this video below, I'm actually gifting you my ebook Canva template. So you just go to create a design. Here it is, media kits. These media kits come with a cover and an inside. I think I'm gonna use this one because I could easily make this the cover and then make this the inside with some photos at the top. So I'm gonna use this template. And then, so I actually made a document with our branding colors. So I would just first, the background, this color. So there, so the name of the freebie, definitely gonna have to be adjusted for size. Yeah, something like that. And then I would also want to change the fonts. Thing is eBuzz. And then I'll change like the shape of it. There, I won't really need any of this stuff. And then maybe we'll pop our logo onto this baby. There. And then, yeah, I could probably do this photo. I'll have to pick a different image that works with the text over it. But yeah, basically this is what I'm gonna do for the cover, and then I'm gonna take all the wording and make like several pages of this, and that's how I'm gonna create the PDF. Now, once you have your ebook created, you guessed it, it is time to start selling your ebook. Now, in order to start selling your ebook, you are going to need somewhere to host your ebook, and you are also going to need what's called a funnel. Now, a funnel sounds way scarier than it is. It's literally just a series of web pages. So for example, a really simple funnel for a paid ebook would be a really small sales page just explaining what the ebook's about, and having a little space where they can enter their information and their payment information. And once they've submitted their payment information, they're going to be taken to the next screen, which is a thank you page. And they are also going to be emailed the link to download the ebook that they just paid for. Now, you might be thinking that all sounds really complicated, and for the very first time it might be, but I have good news for you. I am here to gift you yet another tool that is going to save you a ton of time and money. Now, if you don't know, my husband Aaron and I own our business together, and he is a super funnel tech IT nerd, and he actually agreed to create a funnel for you. So what we're doing is go to the description below this video. There is a link to download our paid ebook funnel template for free. Now, you may be wondering, what software is this funnel built in? We use a software called System.io, and here's the best news for you. It is 100% free for up to 2,000 email subscribers, and they don't throttle any of the features. So you are able to download that template, customize it, and start getting customers and building your email list 100% for free. What? All right, now let's talk about how are you going to get people to go to your funnel so that they will actually purchase your ebook. And when it comes to that, the possibilities are truly limitless. So I've created a list to read off to you. And what I want you to do when I'm reading this list is consider, if you already have some of these assets, stick with that first. Then you can add some of these other ones on later if you want to. Make sense? Cool. All right, so here's some of the ways you can promote your ebook funnel. You can list it on your website if you have a website. And if you don't, you can now use System to build your own free website with the link below. You can put a link to your ebook funnel in your link tree on Instagram or TikTok or any social media. You can also create TikToks and create reels to promote people to go to click the link in your bio to go to your ebook funnel. You can link it in the description below of your YouTube video, which I've been doing throughout this video, trying to give you examples of how to do that. So I hope that's been helpful as well. If you have an email list, you can write a series of emails promoting people to go to the funnel to purchase your ebook if it's a fit for them. If you have a blog, you can make a blog post about it. I think you're starting to see the number of different places that you can send traffic to your funnel, and that's really what it comes down to. You are simply sending traffic to your ebook funnel, and not every single person's gonna buy it, but let's say 100 people go to your page and a certain percentage of them will buy. And once you figure out that data, then it's just a numbers game where you can just send more and more traffic and get more and more sales, which ultimately becomes the passive passive income that you've been wanting from your ebook. Now, the biggest question I have for you is, what type of ebook do you have in mind to create? Go ahead and comment it below and we can all motivate and inspire each other to create our ebooks. Now that you know how to create passive income with your ebook, you might be wanting to learn more about coming up with ideas for digital products, or building your email list so you can get more traffic to your digital products, or building your social following so you can get more traffic to your digital products. And if so, I want to recommend that you watch this video next, because if you pair what you just learned with this video, it's going to be 10 times more powerful. See you in the next video.